Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to improve code using Laravel Eloquent function. So let's get started with the example. So in this example, I just simply list of all users and I just want to display only active users. So if I go here and you can see my users table, there is only one inactive user, that's number 4. And if I go and if I refresh, you can see that only 4 number row is missing. So I already written down the code and you can see that view as well. You can see that. So now let me go into the controller. I added like where active one, so that means only active user will list. If I go into the show, you can see that where active one, and if it's not active, then it's redirect to the listing page. So let me go and show you that one. So if I go and 4, you can see that it's redirect back. So it's working fine and code is also fine, but when your project will be bigger, then like lots of place you need to display the only active users records, active users post, your active users categories, and etc etc. So at that time everywhere you need to write this like where condition active one. So instead of this, we can use like like one place we can define the active function or something and then reuse everywhere when I need to get the users. So Laravel already provide the scope in Eloquent model, so we can use that one. We can define just one place and then use every time. So let me go and go to the user model and let me create one scope here. Okay, so let me go function, and here let me define active scope. So I will say active. Okay, scope, I think spelling scope and active, and then as an argument there will be a builder. So builder query. Okay, and then let me return dollar query. So here we need to just write one time query like active equal to 1 and save it. And now let me use the query builder above. So illuminate slash database slash eloquent slash builder. Okay, and save it. Okay, now you can see that I simply define where condition here. I just simply go here and just I will write active as a function, and I don't written down column name and then like value and all the things. Just save it and let me go here and refresh it. You can see that fourth number row is not coming, so you can see that it's work. So same thing I will just copy and simply add here and just paste it and then refresh it. You can see if I click on the view and let me manually write down the 4, you can see that it's redirect back to the user listing page. So this tips is like small tips, but it helps to how to improve your coding. So later it cannot problem or anything, so uh, you can use the scope instead of fair condition. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, then please subscribe us. Thank you so much.